What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to solve quadratic equation using complete integral squared. This is the third part of this series of videos. If you haven't watched the first two parts, I recommend you to go back and start from part 1. First example here, I have x squared plus 10x minus 4. If you want to solve it, you just get 10 divided by 2 is going to be 5. 5 squared is going to be 25. So it's going to be x squared plus 10x plus 25 minus 25 minus 4 equals to 0. So we have x plus 5 to the power of 2 minus 29 equals to 0. So then it will be x plus 5 to the power of 2 equals to 29. So x plus 5 will be plus minus square root of 29. So x will be negative 5 plus minus square root of 29. Next example is 4x squared plus x equals to 3. Answer is we factor 4 here. It's going to be x squared plus 1 over 4x equals to 3. So then the b is 1 over 4. We divide it by 2 is going to be 1 over 8. Then 1 over 8 to the power of 2 is going to be 1 over 64. So we have 4 x squared plus 1 over 4 plus minus 164 equals to 3. So we have 4 x plus 1 over 8 to the power of 2 minus, you take it out, it's going to multiply by 4, it's going to be 4 over 64 equals to 3. So we have 4x plus 1 over 8 to the power of 2, it's going to be 3 plus 1 over 16. So it's going to be 49 over 16, because 3 is going to be 48 divided by 16. 48 plus 1 is going to be 49. Then we can say square root of both sides is going to be 2x plus 1 over 8. It's going to be plus minus square root of 49 over 16, which is going to be 2x plus 1 over 8 plus minus 7 over 4. So x plus 1 over 8 is going to be plus minus 7 over 8. So x will be negative 1 over 8 plus minus 7 over 8. So we have two answers. One of them is going to be negative 8 over 8, which is 1. And the other one is going to be 6 over 8 or 3 over 4 when you reduce it. So these are the two answers to this question. So basically, here we had 4x plus 1 over 8 to the power of 2, 49 over 16. And then I square root of both sides. It's going to be 2x plus 1 over 8 equals to plus minus square root of 49 over 16. Then, next example is 2x squared plus 5x equals to 3. So the answer will be, factor 2 here, it's going to be x squared 5 over 2x equals to 3. So the b here is 5 over 2. You need to divide it by 2. 5 over 2 divided by 2 is going to be 5 over 4. And b over 2 squared will be 5 over 4 squared, which is going to be 25 over 16. So I will have x squared plus 5 over 2x plus 25 over 16 minus 25 over 16 equals to 3. Then it will be x plus 5 over 4, which is our b divided by 2 to the power of 2 you move this one out, this one, so it's going to be negative 2 times 25, 50 divided by 16 equals to 3. So we have 2x plus 5 over 4x squared is going to be 3 plus 50 over 16. 50 over 16, and here we have common denominator, so we have 98 over 16. So 2x plus 5 over 4 to the power of 2 is 98 over 16. If you reduce it, it's going to be, if you divide it by 2, it's going to be x plus 5 over 4 squared, 49 over 16. Then if you find the square root of both sides, it's going to be plus minus square root of 49 over 16, which is going to be 7 over 4. So it's going to, x will be negative 5 over 4 plus minus 7 over 4. So one answer is going to be negative 5 over 4 minus 7 over 4. The other will be negative 5 over 4 plus 7 over 4, which we have 2 over 4 or 1 over 2, and here we have negative 12 over 4 or negative 3. So we have two answers, one of them is negative 3 and one of them is 1 over 2. Gonna have another example. 3x squared equals to 3 minus 4x. So the first thing I need to do, I need to move everything to the left hand side. So we have 3x squared plus 4x minus 3 equals to 0. Then I factor 3. It's going to be x squared plus 4 over 3x minus 3 equals to 0. Then I have 3x squared plus 4 over 3x equals to 3. Then you cancel 3 and 3 from both sides. It will be x squared plus 4 over 3x equals to 1. Then I have b is 4 over 3 divided by 2 is going to be 4 over 6, or 2 over 3 squared will be 4 over 9. So I have x squared plus 4 over 3x plus 4 over 9 minus 4 over 9 equals to 1. Then I have x plus 2 over 3 to the power of 2 equals to 1 plus, move this to this side, it's going to be 4 over 9, which will be 1 plus 4 over 9 is going to be 13 over 9. So x plus 2 squared is going to be 13 over 9, which you find the square root. Is going to be x plus 2 over 3 is going to be plus minus square root of 13 over 9, or plus minus square root of 13 over 3. So x will be 2 plus minus square root of 13 divided by 3. So these are the two answers for this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video useful, please like this video, and also you can subscribe this channel to have access to different playlists and different videos regarding math and science. Thank you for watching and have a great day.